Good morning, 8th grade science students. Today you will have some homework. And the homework today will be drawing the atomic structure. So here I have predetermined elements that you will be doing the atomic structure for at home. But of course, you're going to be doing most of them here in class. And whatever you can finish, you are going to do it at home. Anyway, so I'm going to be giving you the instructions on how to do this thing. Just very quickly, even though they are the same instructions that you were given in the classroom, just in case you get stuck at home with this thing, all right? So here we go. For example, you got beryllium, and beryllium is this one over here. Now you are gonna be using the periodic table for it. And I got the periodic table right here because you're probably gonna need it so you can get some information from it. All right, so let's get started. For this one, beryllium, if you're gonna be drawing the atomic structure, I'm gonna be needing for you to do two strategies. And those strategies are gonna count for 25% of your grade, all right? If this is the one you're gonna be looking at, whether you find them first on the atomic structure, I'm sorry, on the periodic table. It's right here, you can see them right there, right? So you're gonna need that. That information, you're gonna put them here on this little corner. And you will see that the atomic number is 4, and this number has to be rounded. I don't want any decimal points here. You need to round it off to the nearest whole number, okay? You're also gonna need another strategy, which is the 8-man strategy, right? So you can find the number of neutrons. All right, so let's get started. The first thing you do is fill this information by using the periodic table. And if you see the periodic table, this is beryllium. So the name of this element will be beryllium. Make sure you spell it correctly because you are looking at the periodic table, so proper spelling will be a must. The atomic numbers over here on the top is 4. The number of protons is always the number on your atomic number. Okay, the neutrons, you gotta use the 8-man, so we're gonna skip that one. The electrons is also gonna be 4. Remember, the atomic number represents protons and electrons. The mass is the number on the bottom, which is a 9. And then the valence electrons, you have to wait until you do your atomic structure to do that one. So let's figure out the number of neutrons, okay? First of all, the mass is 9 minus the atomic number is a 4. That M stands for mass. The A is the atomic number. And if you subtract those, it will be 5. So the neutrons is going to be 5. There it is. I'm complete with all my information. Now I'm going to have to do the atomic structure. The first thing you do is this number. Always use this bottom number so you can get started, right? So you're going to draw 9 particles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 particles. Out of those 9 particles, 4 of them are positives. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It says right here, right? You're supposed to have 4 protons. All right, so I'm done with the nucleus. You see, that was very, very easy. Now we gotta do the electrons. The electrons, we have 4. So you gotta follow the octave rules. Remember, the octave rules is 2, 8, 8. That means you have 2 electrons on the first energy level. You can put up to 8 on the second energy level and up to 8 on the third energy level. So far we have 2, but we need 4, right? 4 electrons. So I need to add another energy level and then put 2 more electrons. And I'm done. Now the valence electrons are the amount of electrons on the outer energy level. Not the one on the inside, on the outer one. So here I got only 2 electrons on the outside, or on the last shell or energy level you want to call them, okay? So I'm gonna be putting those 2 electrons that are on the outside here, and I'm done. If you still have any questions, shoot me a remind, and I'll reply as to the best of my abilities, all right? Thank you very much. It's G. Martinez. Get your homework done. Bye-bye.